Hi, finally guys, I'm now here in in my sister's house in Korea. I'm sleeping here in Minjun's room. Look at that, Pikachu! God.
야 이거 왜 거기 가서
남겨. 뽕했어.
아니에요. 그거보다 안 먹어. 불고기. 여기 쌈.
예, ano po?
미. 아, 얼음 먹고 좀 밀려. 하나 줘.
멸치, anchovy with chili.
Anchovy with chili.
She has a drop. She has a drop.
Ay, kami hame.
Kamehame! Abang!
Yan. Okay, bye-bye.
Yung cake mo.
Uy, may ano kayo May ano to?
Kalamansi.
Kalamansi. Saan ka nakuha?
Order.
Okay. May pa-cake talaga. Okay guys, making halo-halo Korea version. Korea version. Mmm.
Nice. And look at this!
Bukayo.
Ubusin na natin kasi one time big time lang to.
The secret
Okay lang niya kahit di masyado matayo.
milk. Wow.
Nice.
Wag na.
May ice cream dyan. Gusto mo lagyan natin sa ibabaw. Hindi na.
Hi guys, so we're now here in one of the places here in Gimpo. What's this place again?
Goredong.
Goredong.
It's a kimchi ref.
So basically, these were the
Container, yeah.
These were the fermenting kimchi.
This refrigerator lasts for 1 year.
Oh really?
There. Oh!
What's this?
Oh! That's
Tteokbokki.
tteokbokki. It's very spicy.
Is it very spicy?
You choose that one.
Oh my god, this is what I'm looking for.
What?
The rich appam. Hey guys, Korean fried chicken time. This is Yangnyeom chicken. Oh my god, guys, feel proud. So proud.
Oh.
Is that? Wow. 맛있어. 맛있어.
And you already shopped tonight's dinner. Some clothes to wear.
Hi guys, so we're gonna try this crunchy fruit. It's called tanguro. It's a coated fruit. I'll probably have the pineapple.
Pineapple. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Guys, so trying the tanguro. I'm getting the pineapple and the muscat fruit. Lovely.
Try naman dano.
Mashiso.
Mashiso.
There's the muscat fruit. I think I haven't eaten muscat fruit before, but
The shiny
try.
muscat grape. Oh.
Mashiso.
Okay. Which one is good? Pineapple or shiny muscat?
I love pineapple.
Alright.
Golden Pantao pineapple.
Ah?
Let's go. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.
There's a toy park. Go, go, go. Card.
안녕하세요. It's 8:30 now and we got food again from
Mukbang.
Ate Chechen. Mukbang with, ano to?
Samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal. This is a very traditional samgyeopsal made at home. Nagtagal po ito.
Mukbang mo, lagay mo
Okay.
para mukbang na mukbang talaga. Ate, doon ka muna.
Bukayo.
It's a buko. Talagang hintay ko ikaw ba
Yeah.
magkain tayo.
Breakfast tayo. Okay guys, so this is kimchi jjigae from, what's the meat here? From the samgyeopsal? Samgyeopsal, yeah, nice. What do you call this?
엄마 이거 뭐야? 콩국수.
Dongguksu.
Bean noodles.
Apparently,
The soup is made from grinded.
the piece of
Beans.
beans, yeah. This is one of my favorite, guys. Basically, it's anchovy or guno siya, but with corn syrup. Masarap. Love it.